here we have Uruguay against England. I'm John Champion, and covering this game alongside me, someone who certainly knows a thing or two about playing at the top level, it's Jim Begley. And the spectators rise for the national anthem. And we're off. Uruguay against England. Forlan's got it. Milner. Gerrard. Ashley Cole. Godin is there to intercept. Now Welbeck. They've got a throw in. Arevallo, Cavani, over the line for a throw-in. Forlan, Milner, Rooney, Forlan. Now cleverly. A crucial intervention there. Wins the ball. Now seeking to get that ball in. They were so nearly punished for their mistake.
I love to see a team closing down from the front like that, and I think they did brilliant to win it back and get the shot away. Welbeck is so physically imposing in situations like that. He's not going to get bullied off the ball before he gets a shot away. He's very dogged.
Ball's with Welbeck. And he finds a bit of space here.
He may have been caught offside, but I think you have to accept that as an occupational hazard. It's been mentioned that this fellow was born offside, and he'll keep trying until the flag stays down. He'll keep working on the shoulder of the last defender until he gets one right.
Glenn Johnson is in position to intercept. Rodriguez. Milner. Vital interception there. Ball is with Forlan. Slides it through. It's through to Luis Suarez.
And that was just fractionally offside.
Lumps it long. Smalling. Cleverly. Cleverly. Now Welbeck. Arevallo. Cavani. They hit it long now. Milner. Smalling. Ashley Cole. Forlan. Now Luis Suarez. Glenn Johnson makes the interception. Knocks it through. Rodriguez. Godin. Herrera. Cavani. Can go on the break if he can be found. He's got possession now, maybe a chance. Rooney, this is a promising run. Welbeck shoots. Gerrard is the player to take it. Alvaro Gonzalez. Forlan. Herrera. Cavani. Now Luis Suarez. He's been dispossessed. Carrick. It went out of play. Cavani. Ashley Cole is all over it. Gerrard. Rooney. Arevallo. Vola. Milner. Glenn Johnson. Herrera. Smalling cuts out what was really a sloppy pass. There's Rooney. Welbeck's got it. Alvaro Gonzalez. Cleverly. He plays it towards the corner flag. It's a threatening through ball. He wants to get a cross in from here. No, intercepted. Vola. He surges forward. Now Cáceres. That'll be a throw. The ball's gone out again, and that's another throw. Milner. Rodriguez quickly closed down. Glenn Johnson. Here's Welbeck. Out towards the byline. Possibility here for a cross. Glenn Johnson tried to make the pass, but found that he couldn't. Cáceres. Cavani. Rodriguez. Godin. Cavani looking to receive the ball. Break could be on. It's through to Cavani. Carrick. Glenn Johnson. Herrera with the crucial intervention. Half-time is now upon us.
Well, this has proved a very frustrating day so far, especially for the strikers. Nothing has been created for them. I think the service has been extremely poor.
It's 0-0, so nothing to separate them. So the second half gets underway. Alvaro Gonzalez switches play to the other side. Forward it goes. Ashley Cole takes advantage of a poor pass. Alvaro Gonzalez. He moves in swiftly. Long ball forward. It's a throw. There's a chance to get a cross in. Cavani seems to have overhit that one slightly. Break is on. Cleverly. Here's Rooney. Cleverly. Couldn't quite get it through that.
Well, it looked like there that he was asking just a little too much of himself to try and thread that ball through. He was a bit over-ambitious, but like his thinking.
Glenn Johnson. Smalling. Milner. Now Welbeck. Now Cleverly. Herrera plays it long. Ashley Cole. Rooney on the ball. He plays the ball out wide. Arevallo. Carrick. The ball's with Rooney. Bursting forward.
Well, he just ran down a cul-de-sac then. No wonder he lost the ball.
Smalling. The ball's with Welbeck. Glenn Johnson. Throw in. Carrick has robbed him. You have to admire that control. Here's Luis Suarez. Arevallo. Luis Suarez looking to play on the break. Alvaro Gonzalez. Godin. Gerrard. Glenn Johnson. Now Welbeck. Here's Forlan. Gerrard. Alvaro Gonzalez. Here's Luis Suarez. Here's Caceres. Gerrard. Alvaro Gonzalez. Rodriguez. Gerrard. Carrick. Rooney. Arevallo. It's through. Now possibility down the flank. Lescott with some good covering. Restarts with a throw-in. There's plenty of activity down by the touchline. Looks like we're going to get a substitution.
Well, if the deadlock is about to be broken, then it may well have to come from the bench. I mean, fresh legs when others are beginning to tire now could just do the trick. This game might just get a little stretched. It could help. Oh, wonderful. For me, it's one of the best sights on a football pitch, seeing this kind of direct running at defenders.
Gerrard has teed up this corner. And he'll shoot!
Well, when it becomes that speculative, I think it requires something from the very top drawer, and you have to think a little bit more about that. In the end, he's just opted for raw power. Look, he's not going to need an invitation to smash one from that sort of range, and I just think it's risky business for a team to just sit there and watch him pull the trigger like that. It could fly in the top corner.
Didn't have any luck with the through ball there.
Look, if he wants that ball to make it, then he has to pass it with a bit more zip. I think he knew as soon as it left his boot it was going to be cut out. Just lacked a little more power.
And he's now got the ball on the other side. Milner. Gerrard. What can England do here? Played through the middle. Glenn Johnson tried to play it through.
Yeah, it looked like there that he was asking just a little too much of himself to try and thread that ball through. He was a bit over-ambitious, but I like his thinking.
And suddenly the defence is on the back foot. Oh, fine through ball down the middle. And he scoops it!
Well, with this guy and the talent he's got, you know he's probably going to try his luck from there, but that one he didn't really get right at all.
The clock counting down.
They need a bit more urgency in their play. Time is ticking away. They may well get a bit more joy down the flanks. They'll certainly find more space out there.
Smalling. Defoe on the ball. Ashley Young is fouled. He gets his free kick.
Well, it's a little further out than he'd like, so he might just consider his options with this free kick.
Wouldn't stay down for him. Gerrard, Carrick. Cleverly. Here's Ashley Cole. The ball played through the middle. We are into the final minutes now of stoppage time. Aceves. So there it is, and that concludes today's contest. After that performance, the defenders on both sides can deservedly pat themselves on the back. They were absolutely rock-like at the back.
You know, it's a privilege to be part of a fabulous football match like that. That was a real roller coaster ride for the fans.
So all the